Hey there fellas, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in our previous video we saw how to order a cash app card. The video was really interesting, and as we covered the steps on how to order the cash app card online through your cash app mobile app. So in this video we're going to see how to activate that cash app card you've received. So if you didn't receive your cash app card as said in the previous video, within 14 business days, I will recommend you contact cash app support. So if you did receive your cash app card, then here is the video you need. Anyways, I suppose you've received your cash app card, which is why you're actually watching this video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, as always, I recommend you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the notification bell to never miss any training content from us. So without any further ado, we start right after the intro. Typically, when you receive your cash app card, you receive it accompanied with a QR code. So it is this QR code that you're going to use to activate your cash app card. The QR code is more like something you can see on the screen right here, which is the QR code to download the cash app mobile app. So when you receive your cash app card, there's a QR code attached to this cash app card, which you definitely can use it to activate your cash app card. So to activate your cash app card with this QR code, just open your cash app and go to the cards tab on your cash app home screen, and then you select the green activate button, and after that just select OK. And when your cash app asks for this permission to use your camera, you just grant cash app the permission to use your camera, and once granted the permission, you will have to scan this QR code to activate your cash app card. Just scan this code and your cash app card should be activated right away. So in some cases, the cash app QR code may no longer be of use. So if this is the case for you, then cash app offers simple steps to activate your cash app card without actually having to use the QR code. So to do this, just navigate to the cards tab and click on the activate button again, then select activate without QR code, and after this just enter your CVV code located on the back of your cash app card, and then follow the steps to activate your cash app card. It shouldn't take more than a couple of seconds. If it should take even longer, it should be a couple of minutes, and your cash app card should be activated right away. So guys, we've come to the end of our video, and if this was helpful for you, don't forget to smash that like button down below and share the video with some fellows who are actually looking for a way to activate that cash app card. So I'll see you in the next video.